Hello student, today we are going to see unit number first. Within unit number first there is a lesson number 4. The title of lesson is Big Data, Big Insight. The part first of big data. In our day-to-day life, the use of big data. What is the uses of big data? Where it uses? In the first part, there are 4 sectors. These 4 sectors, our big data is used. There is a revolution in the lifestyle which has been affected by big data. It is a really mobile is a revolution within how we can search with the help of the data. There is the first point, location tracking, GPS. Location we can track that with the help of GPS. Google, in media of Google's, that we can search with the help of the data. Whenever our journey is going, that time we are using the GPS on the highways, finding the correct ways, correct highways. We have confidence of journey with the help of GPS. That is the help us to find out the location, the fixed location, wherever that whatever maybe we can take. That in a radio frequency as well as in a traffic conjunction, police department also using the GPS. In city, they can check with the help of the data where is a traffic conjunction, where is a traffic jam. Police can find out with the help of their GPS, and all information in the route of GPS. That transport, reducing transport, goods carrier, logistic, these are going through the big data. That the transport, communication, they can find out the location with the help of GPS, as well as the logistics, the transports as well as logistics with the help of GPS. They can track where is our truck, where is our transport, on which highways they can find out. So with the help of big data, we can find out location, that is GPS. That is why big data is the great revolution day-to-day life. Science, the search of, that is why people are affected by big the data. Second point, understanding the weather patterns. With the help of GPS, those who are scientists, they can understand the weather pattern. Means day-to-day life we are looking seasons, monsoon seasons, rainy seasons, that is. The weather, the power and the pattern we can understand through the big data. The use of big data in weather's office, they can understand, they can find out with the help of GPS the location, mountains location, all hills and the mountains they can find out. That is why they can understand the weather's pattern. The third point is healthcare industry. The healthcare industry, with the help of big data, they can check in all hospital, all instruments in health management, all industries, day-to-day life, modern areas, they can cover with the help of GPS. Health centers, all instruments, healthcare centers, with the help of big data, all staffs, all areas they can under the GPS. This is the industry, health industry, use of health industries. There is a it is a distance where the patient's sleep pattern monitor, dictate our heart rate, as well as they can wearable health app that all monitors blood sugar, gadgets. With the help of the big data, patients in hospitals, they can monitor it all. And the alignment of the effects of the drug, unnecessary guesswork with the significantly reduce. Postcards of patients can be maintained by better analysis of the health can be obtained. Big data help in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics and diseases. Just when you post your message, I'm down, flu on WhatsApp, Facebook, it will be monitoring. The areas affected by the flus, where the located and necessary precautions that health officers, they can take precautions with the help of GPS. That is why the help in healthcare center. Fourth point is the banking finance. Banking finance, the GPS big data, we are looking all ATMs, all banking, all facilities are going through the big data. Online transactions, all transactions online under the GPS. That is why banking, finance and trading, different kinds of trades, that is useful in a banking. With the big data analytic, the investment of patterns of people can be studied. New insight have enabled the books and finance companies to come with suitable plans. Big data has enabled smooth functioning these agencies and institutions. Banking finance sectors is using big data is predict and prevent cyber crimes, card frauds detection, actual audit, threats, etc. by analyzing past data their customers. Data on previous brute force attacks, banks can predict future attempts. Big data not only help in predicting cyber crimes, but is also in handling issues related to mistransaction and failures in net banking. It can predict possible spikes on the surface of that bank managed transaction according. The Securities Exchange Commission (SEC) is using the big data monitoring financial markets, possible illegal trades, suspicious activities. The SEC is using network analytics and natural language processors to identify possible frauds and the financial markets. High frequency trading is an area where the big data find lot of. With the help of the finance and trading, the increasing account signal and social media networks, news websites, different kinds, they sell the decisions and spikes of second. That is why in these one by one, these four types of, in first part, the use of four sectors, big data, how the GPS, day-to-day instruments, all they use to in the every sectors, in the weather sector, healthcare industry, banking, finance. In the first part, we have looked at the location at the place of industry. That is why it is useful day-to-day life, the mobile data for our communication. Thank you.